The making of my shimmer fringe sleeve bikini. I was laying in bed one night when I had an idea, so I jumped up and started cutting up a piece of fabric. I draped it around my arm to see how it would look, and it looked so cool. I drew a sketch of what I had in my head. I took it to the factory I was working with. But keep in mind, my design is the first of its kind. And with that comes challenges. This was fitting number 1. It didn't look like the picture. This was fitting number 2. Pretty good, but I felt like I was gonna fall out of the cups. I took it to the beach to test it, a photo shoot in LA. Everybody that saw it loved it, so I went back to the drawing board with new fabric. This was fitting number 3. I insisted that the sleeves be removable without popping off. A bunch of measurements. This was fitting number 4. I didn't like the strap, didn't like the fit of the cups. The tie in the middle was just too big. The factory said my design wasn't possible, and that I was too picky. But I wasn't giving up on this design. So I started playing around at home, knotted up the front, did some new sketches, and sourced this amazing fabric. I took my patterns to a new factory. This was fitting number 5. When I tried this on and showed my best friend, we were both like, what? Sleeves were perfect, literally just needed a few minor changes, and voila. So when you're wearing a whipped cream swimwear bikini and you're wondering why does this fit so much better than all my other bikinis, this is why. I'm really glad I followed my intuition on this one and made this perfect for you guys.